Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's solve this question together. Solution. Now we are given 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to equals to 50. Now let's remove the root x, okay, by letting a variable be that. So let k be square root of x. So this one will be 2 raised to k plus 2 raised to k equals 50. So from here, we can go ahead and let a variable be 2 raised to k. So let p be 2 raised to k. So in going back, I'll put p here and put p there. So we have p plus p equals 50. So we have 2p equals 50. Therefore, p will be 50 on 2, which is 25. So let's bring back p to its position. So we have p, that is 25, equals to 2 raised to k. So 2 raised to k is the same as p, which is 25. So let's solve for k. After that, we send k back to its position. That will pave way for the value of x. Alright, so let's solve for k from here. As we take log on both sides, since we want to move the power here, so take log on both sides. Okay, so this one is a power rule, so it will come here. That will be k log 2 equals to log 25. Now from here, we can divide both sides by log 2. Log 2. So this one will cancel. So my k is simply log 25 on log 2. Now, can we reduce this? Okay. So 25 is the same as. So we can make this log 5 times 5 on log 2. So 5 times 5 is 25. And remember, log AB the same as log A plus log B. So from here, my k will be log 5 plus log 5 on log 2. So you can write this one as log 5 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2. So my k will be log 5 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2. So when we're given log A over log B, the same as log A to base B. So this side will be log 5 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2. So this side is the same as k equals 2 log 5 to base 2. Okay. Alright. It's like saying a plus a is 2a. Okay. So we have k as that. Now let's go back to where k is, then do substitution. So we have k here. K equals the square root of x. So k is square root of x. So let's plug in k. 2 log 5 to base 2 equals root x. So we can square both sides. Square both sides. This one squared. So 1x will be 2 log 5 to base 2 all squared. So let's see if this is correct as we verify. So let's verify. So we have 2x plus 2x equals to 50. Let's confirm. Yeah, so we have it here. So the answer for x is 2. X is 2 log 5 to base 2. So we want to verify if this one is true. Okay, so we have this and that. So this one, don't forget this one is the same as 2 times 2x. Okay, so you can write it this way. Okay, 2 times 2 with x. So let's use this. So 2 times 2. Now let's plug in x here. So x will be 2. So everything squared. 5 squared. And this squared will cancel, which will be 2 times 2 raised to 2 log 5 to base 2. Now remember there's a power rule, so the same as 2, okay, times 2 log 5 squared to base 2. Now there's a property in logarithm that we need to take note of. So x raised to log p to base x. So we have x, so the answer is p. So 2 raised to that, we have the base 2, so the answer is 5 squared. Okay, so the final answer will be 2 times 5 squared. So this and that, the answer will be 5 squared times 2. So 5 squared is 25, which is 50. Alright, so that's that. So hence proved. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Alright.